Bubble gun machine, TikTok trending Amazon and AliExpress product. 1. HYMS automatic bubble gun machine with 64-hole rocket launcher. The HYMS bubble gun machine features 64 bubble holes, produces over 2,000 bubbles per minute, has a rechargeable battery, and generates colorful light for an impressive effect. Rechargeable, sturdy, and has a long operating life, thanks to lithium batteries. The edible solution is non-toxic and safe, and the ABS plastic used to construct the pistol is of excellent quality. There is no need to be concerned about spilling or leaking because it is extremely safe for kids and dogs. This bubble gun is versatile since it can be used as both a bubble machine and a fan. When you remove the gun head, a little fan is located in the bubble outlet. The HYMS bubble machine can provide hours of entertainment at various events like weddings, birthday celebrations, and outdoor fun. It makes the ideal present for children, pets, and toddlers. The bubble maker is easy to clean. For simple cleaning without sticky hands, use one tray. The machine outlet may blow millions of bubbles while preventing bubbles from clumping together and clinging to only small solutions. 2. 24 holes automatic bubble machine. The 24-hole bubble gun creates over 1,000 vibrant bubbles every minute. The unending entertainment of chasing bubbles in the sun will be enjoyable. This bubble toy is safe for babies and is made of high ABS material. It has been polished to be smooth and burr-free. The grip is made more comfortable by the ergonomic handle design. The bubble blaster gun has passed CCPSA testing, making it safer for kids to enjoy some fun with bubbles. This is a bubble machine gun with multiple uses, can be converted to an electric fan by removing the cover over the bubble holes. This bubble gun is so easy to use, just put 3 AA batteries in the blower for the bubble cannon. In order to create an endless stream of vibrant bubbles, pour the bubble solution into the plate, submerge the bubble shooter in the bubble refill and then press the switch. This bubble machine is ideal for indoor and outdoor gatherings since it is suitable for both adults and kids. 3. 23-hole Gatling bubble machine. With its 23 bubble holes, the bubble machine gun can shoot out hundreds of bubbles every minute. Children can run and dance on the lawn while using the bubble cannon. It's ideal for gatherings of friends and family. This 23-hole Gatling bubble machine is safe for kids because it is made of high-quality ABS plastic that is free of burrs, and uses only non-toxic solution ingredients. It is battery-powered, lightweight, and portable. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor events including weddings, birthday celebrations, and class parties to provide you and your kids more wonderful memories. 4. Automatic music bubble maker. Take a bubble bath anytime. No matter how big the party, as long as you pour the bubble water into the white semicircle and turn on the switch, you may generate whirlpools of fun. This automatic bubble machine is safe and flexible because it is made of durable ABS plastics. Perfect for indoor or outdoor birthday parties, weddings, and baby showers. This is an ideal present for kids. They can take it everywhere they want because it is compact and light. One bottle of 118 milliliters of bubble water and a bubble maker are included in the set. The 3 batteries required to run this bubble maker are not included. Children may find the rotating propeller on top of the product attractive and amusing after flipping on the switch. 5. 69-hole Bazooka bubble machine. The 69-hole Bazooka is powerful and entertaining. The contoured, ergonomic grip is gentle on your hands. You can take pleasure in the vibrant bubbles that are produced all day and night. With the help of this amusing bubble toy, you may encourage parent-child interaction and feel the childish innocence in your vision. When your child is worn out, you can also use it as a small fan. To create a large number of bubbles, this Bazooka bubble gun uses a unique bubble solution. Charge for 4 hours, taking care to ensure that the bubble solution does not adhere to the bubbles too firmly. 69 bubble apertures allow for the minutely ejection of hundreds of colored bubbles into the sky. The Bazooka bubble gun is the most trending bubble gun toy in social media, and both internet celebrities and their followers adore it. As a necessary item for dates, celebrations, performances, weddings, barbecues, outdoor events, and more. It makes the ideal photo prop. With it, you can capture the best images and videos.